Shout out to all the Black content creators, Black entrepreneurs, Black people, okay? Shout out to you. This is our History Month, even though Black History is every single day. We are celebrating Black hair care culture. That is what I'm doing, and I'm digging into the nostalgic 80s and 90s era of hair care where everything was, you know, fly, and the content and the conversations of the salon was inviting and welcoming, and nobody was really gossiping like that. Like, we was talking about what you got going on at home, girl. Do you need some help? You know, is your baby's okay? Is there anything that I can do for you? Like, our stylists, our caregivers, they were just some amazing women, and we are paying homage to them and all of the great hair care products of that time. I mean, Pink Luster, you got your spritz, pump it up, you got your Ampro styling gel. Like, I can smell it now. Marcel curling irons, burning. I don't think we should have been, it's a lot of things that we was doing back then, though, that is contributing to today's hair loss, though, especially like hot combs. Okay, hot comb alopecia. Yeah, the hot comb alopecia. Do you know what alopecia is? That's for another video. Engage, okay? Tell me what you think. Tell me if this brings back memories, all right? Like, did you wear the scrunch wave? That, like, did you have the high scrunch with the flips in the back? Like, some of my friends had the lifted scrunch, okay? And they had the 3-layer flips in the back. Fly with a little sparkle in the front, little spray. You couldn't tell us nothing. Like, what? Anyway, let's get into it. We're going to start by shampooing with the Hydrate and Strength shampoo. This shampoo is going to cleanse and refresh your scalp. Make sure you are scrubbing and creating some circulation, especially in the areas where your hair is thin. For me, that's my crown and my temples, and so I'm just circulating and massaging that area. Now I'm going to follow up with the conditioner, the Moisture and Softness Conditioner. Both shampoo and conditioner are sulfate free. So doing the same thing, making sure that I am rinsing with cool water, and look at these curls. Nice, hydrated, and moisturized, full of sheen and luster. Now that we have a clean foundation, it is time to saturate your hair with the Curl and Wave Defining Mousse. Make sure that you are saturating your hair from root to tip, and then use a Denman brush just to smooth all of your hair out. I like to brush and smooth my hair going all the way back when I'm doing a scrunch style. So this is my hair all smooth, and I am going to use the Clear Eco Styler. So I'm going to start by face framing my edges, because you know that's just what I love to do. And then I'm going to start scrunching my hair using 2 combs at the top. So I'll just let you guys watch and enjoy. So I'm creating that same wave pattern on this side. I'm going to apologize because I was doing my best to show you this side of my hair and use these two combs and record, and it was really hard for me to do. And so same pattern that I was doing on the other side is what I'm trying to create on that side. And you see me going back and forth just to reference to make sure I try to get it to look the same as much as possible. And so you can freestyle. You don't have to do it exactly how I'm doing it. And then I'm going to take my head wrap, dry it, and then edge myself up in the back. Now that she is all finished, of course, we want to top it off with the Nourish and Stimulate Scalp Oil. Paying attention, again, to those spots in your hair that are sparse. Make sure that you are being very moderate when using the oil. You do not need a lot. And I love that this dropper helps you to really target those areas of concern. I remember bringing in your picture reference, like, this is what I want. This is what she wanted, and this is what she got. She did that. I want to debut Toothiana. See if she dried. She said, not you about to leave me out of this video. Like what? Toothiana said no. Girl, give me some flair though. Like, I don't know why y'all put up with my shenanigans, but I hope you like this video. Be sure to like, comment, and share. And until next time, live life on purpose with purpose. Love you guys.